Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel Mimi's Makeup. So let's go for the question of the day. We're almost done, so I feel a little bit tired, but I gotta do this. I must do this, so let's go for it. So where is it? Okay, do you use a makeup base / primer for eyes? Of course, every time, even if it's only concealer, but always I use a kind of a thick and sticky concealer over my eyes to make the colors stay on and make everything pop, and at the same time hide any veins, because I have a little bit of veins on my upper lid. So of course I always use a primer, eyeshadow primer or concealer. It doesn't matter what, but I always do. It's one of the must product I always have. So yeah, this is for this video. So let's go for the next one in the next video, and I'm gonna see you soon. Bye.